What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be talking about top 5 best scooter SCS clamp or SCSs. So watch the video to the end and you will know also which SCS clamp is the best. So I think it's better for you to watch. So, scooter clamp is that thing right here that you tighten with these bolts, you see, that it tightens your bar, and that bar is not rattling back and forward. So that's what clamp is for. I already did the video of top 5 of scooter compressions. So I was comparing scooter compressions. So you can click that card right here and watch that video. So yeah, scooter clamps. So today we're gonna be talking about top SCS scooter clamps, top 5 scooter SCS clamps. Let's go. So on the 5th place we have Proto Baby SCS. So Proto Baby SCS is like one of the most expensive SCSs. Like, it's kind of expensive, and it looks kind of basic, like it's almost too basic. I think that it could have a little bit more taste in it. I mean design taste. So it's not that big as regular SCS. Regular SCSs are around 8 centimeters big. So the Proto SCS is a bit smaller because this one is Proto Baby SCS. You have colors, and yeah. So on the 4th place we have MV 3-bolt SCS. So MV 3-bolt SCS is lighter than regular SCSs just because it has 3 bolts and it's not that big, and it's not that expensive. You get it on the price range of $60, so that's pretty affordable though, and it's looking fresh. It's good looking clamp, and I don't really know how 3-bolt SCS works, because 4-bolt regular SCS works like the top 2 bolts compress the bars, and the bottom 2 bolts compress the fork. But 3-bolt SCS, I think that one bolt compresses the bars and 2 bolts compresses the fork. Then there's a little bit gap from the bottom 2 bolts and top bolt. So yeah, that was Blunt or Envy as a 3-bolt SCS. So let's move on to the 3rd place. So on the 3rd place we have Proto regular SCS. It's expensive, $110, but it's looking a bit better than Baby SCS. You have more colors and everything, and you have red clamp too, which is signature, and it's a little bit more expensive with signature. It's logic. So my favorite color is like the galaxy one with lines, like a galaxy space one. So I like that one. It's blue. and yeah, it's a bit big, you know. That I think that's the tallest SCS. I think it's 9 centimeters or 90 millimeters. How do you want? So it is the Proto is one of the best SCS clamp brands. And yeah, on the 5th place we had Proto Baby SCS. I call it like baby brother of the regular Proto SCS. So I think that is it for Proto SCS. Let's move on to the 2nd place, which is Addict SCS. So Addict does have many colors too. Addict SCS, with Addict SCS I mean Addict Guardian SCS. I think that's one of the heaviest SCSs, but it's very strong and the design is very beautiful. It's 400 grams, which is pretty heavy, you know, and it's 8.5 centimeters big, and yeah, it has basically really good design. And yeah, so I think that we should move on to the best SCS ever made. Yeah. So the best SCS ever made is the Tilt Arc SCS. So Tilt Arc SCS is so beautiful and so nice. You know, unfortunately Tilt doesn't make Arc SCS more. That's pretty sad, you know. Arc SCS is the best SCS ever, you know. I think every scooter rider agrees that the Tilt SCS is the best. I mean, design is very nice. It's 8 centimeters high, and it's I think it is 250 grams. Yeah, 250 grams. So it's very nice, very good looking. You have many colors like black, gold, red, blue, and purple. Always purple. So it's very nice SCS, and the very, you know, it's the best thing about one of the best things about that SCS is it has pre-greased bolts. So when you buy that SCS, you know, it comes with greased bolts, so you don't need to take them out and grease them, and that's very good, you know. I think that's the only brand of SCS clamps that does this. Like all Tilt SCS clamps have this, and yeah, it's very nice. Tilt Arc SCS fits standard and oversized bars, but you can get LT version which only fits standard bars. It's a little bit cheaper and a little bit lighter. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for Tilt Arc SCS. So yeah, and with that, it's end of the video. So click that subscribe button, share the video to other friends so they can see my videos, especially if they are scooter riders, or if I inspire them to be scooter riders. So that would be really nice, you know. I would have really great feeling, but I don't have many subscribers, so I don't think that will happen. So that was it for this video, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.